Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss classification of nuclei. So in previous video we have discussed about what is nuclei, what is the structure of the nuclei. So nuclei made up of protons and neutrons. So protons has positive charge, neutron has no charge. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the classification of nuclei. So these nuclei classified into 5 types. So first one is isotopes, isobars, isotones, isomers, and also isodiapers. So let us say first of all, what is isotopes? Isotopes means nuclei having same atomic number but different mass numbers are called isotopes. Okay, every element has isotopes. See here, so isotopes means having the same atomic number but different mass numbers. Okay, some of the isotopes are here. So this is a hydrogen element. Hydrogen isotopes are here. So this is 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. So if you observe these three, so this is a proton number, atomic number, this is mass number. So 1H1, 1H2, 1H3, these three, so atomic numbers are same but mass numbers are different. So here proton numbers are same, so but mass numbers are different. So next one is oxygen. So in this oxygen isotopes are here. So this is oxygen 816, this is oxygen 817, this is oxygen 818. So these three are oxygen isotopes. Next chlorine. So this is a 1735, this is 1737. So these two are the isotopes of chlorine. So next one uranium 92-235, 92-238. So these two are isotopes of the uranium. Okay, because of same atomic number, the isotopes of the elements have the same place in periodic table. So they have same chemical properties. Okay, but they have different nuclear properties. So what are those? If you see here, sodium 1122. Sodium 1122 is found to decay by beta emission. So next one, sodium 1123. So it is a stable isotope. Next one is sodium 1124. So it is to be found to decay by positron emission. So positron means that is an antiparticle of the electron. So next one, isobars. Isobars means nuclei having same mass number but different atomic numbers. So such type of nuclei are called isobars. So okay, here are some of the examples of isobars. 1H3 and helium 2-3. So in these two, so this is the atomic number. Atomic numbers are different but mass numbers are same, 3 and 3. So next, if you see here, this is a carbon 614, this is nitrogen 714. So in these two, mass numbers are same but atomic numbers are different. So next one, oxygen 817, fluorine 917. So in these two, mass numbers are same but atomic numbers are different. So they occupy different positions in periodic table. So why they occupy different positions? That means they have different mass numbers. So due to that, they occupy different positions, different places in periodic table. So their chemical properties are different. But in isotopes, chemical properties are same. So another one is the nuclei having same mass number but protons and neutrons are interchanged. Such type of nuclei is called mirror nuclei. Okay, if you see the examples, this is the lithium 37, beryllium 47. So in these two, mass number is same but proton number and neutron numbers are interchanged here. So this is the proton number of lithium. So okay, this same, that is it should be equal to neutron number of beryllium. That means 7 minus 4, that is 3. So this 3 is here proton number, same 3 is here, that is a neutron number. For suppose if you take what is a, so in this element proton number is 3, neutron number is 4. So in this element proton number is 4, neutron number is 3. Okay, here neutron number and proton number both are interchangeable. So next one is isomers. So sorry, isotones. Isotone means, so the nuclei having same neutron number but they are having different mass numbers, different atomic numbers. So such type of nuclei are called isotones. Okay, what are the examples of isotones? If you see here, this is 1H3, this is helium-24. So in these two, what is the neutron number? Neutron number we will get by A minus Z. So A minus Z means this is A mass number, this is Z atomic number. So if you do A minus Z, we will get neutron number. So that 3 minus 1 means 2. Here helium-24. So in this element, what is the neutron number? 4 minus 2. So that is a 4 minus 2 means 2. 2 is the neutron number. So okay, both are same. So if you see here, this is 1H2, this is helium-23. This is hydrogen 1,2. So in this, so 2 minus 1 means that is 1. 3 minus 2 means that is also 1. So neutron number is same in these two elements. Next, if we take lithium-37. So okay, in this element what is the neutron number? That is 4. In this element what is the neutron number? That is also 4. So neutron number is same in these two elements. So they are called isotones. So next, this one, this is nitrogen 717. What is the neutron number of this? That is 10. 17 minus 7. So that is a 10. 10 is equal to neutron number. So this is oxygen 818. So in this, what is the neutron number? That is 18 minus 8 means that is also 10. So in this 19 minus 9, that is also 10. So they are having same neutron numbers. So these nuclei are called isotones. So next one is isomers. So okay, next we will see about the isomers. So next, isomers. Isomers means nuclei having same mass number and same atomic number. So but here different radioactive properties. So nuclei having same mass number and same atomic number but different radioactive properties. Because those such type of nuclei are called isomers. So what are the examples? This is M bromine 3580. This is G bromine 3580. That means this is metastable bromine. So this is ground state bromine. See here, in these two, mass number is same, atomic number is same. So but this is metastable, this is ground state. So radioactive properties are different here. So these are called isomers. So next one is isodiapers. So isodiapers means nuclei having different atomic number and a different mass number, but the same excess number of neutrons over protons. So that means A minus Z neutrons, same excess number of neutrons. So those are called isodiapers. So if we take the example, this is a sodium 1123, this is aluminium 1327. So in this sodium 1123, so what is the excess number of neutron? So that is A minus 2Z means what is the A in this element? That is a 23 is A. See A minus 2Z equal to A means 23 minus 2 into Z means 11. So that is 23 minus 22, that is a 1. So okay, there is a excess number of neutron is 1. So next one is how many excess neutrons in aluminum? So aluminum 1327. So in this element how many number of excess neutrons. That means A minus 2Z is equal to, A means there is a mass number 27. So 2 into what is Z, 13. So that is 27 minus 26. So this is also same to previous one. So they are having same excess number of neutrons. So such type of nuclei are called isodiaphers. So this is a classification of nuclei. Okay, isotopes means same atomic number but different mass numbers. Isobars means same mass number but different atomic number. Isotone means same neutron number. So isomers means same mass number, same atomic number but different radioactive properties. So next one is isodiaphers. Isodiaphers means different mass number, different proton number, but they are having same excess number of neutrons. So this is a classification. Next remaining topics we will see next video. Okay.